Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to customize your iPhone charging sound. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to change charging sound in your iPhone. You can add a additional text to space which will be kind of funny or whatever you want, which will be whenever you try to connect your phone with charger, and that text going to be appear as a space, which is quite interesting. So in order to do that, you need to open your iPhone shortcut apps, and then you need to click here automation. After click over automation, you will find here something say create personal automation. After click over create personal automation, you will see a screen appear just like this. Scroll down and then you will find here something say charger. Simply click over there and then you will see it is connected. Simply choose it and then click here next, and then you will see screen appear just like this. You have to click here add action, and then here in this search for apps and action you have to type here SPEAK, and then you will find here speak text. Here you have to type some text, whatever text you want. So I'm going to type here I am charging now. You can go sleep. Anything, whatever you want, funny thing you can type here, and then you can click here next. After that you will see something say ask before running. Simply turn this off and also click here don't ask and make it here done. So from now, if I am going to charge my phone, or if I going to connect with charger, always my phone is going to be giving that message like I am charging now, you can go sleep. So within this simple way you can easily customize your iPhone charging sound. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.